how important are thumbnails to increasing the views on your videos, having more people click through and actually watching your videos. According to YouTube, they're pretty important because there's a new feature that's been rolled out in beta, and it's going to be available for more creators now at the beginning of 2024. But before we dive in, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to grow your visibility and monetize your YouTube channel. Here's a short part of this clip from Creator Inside.
We're excited to announce that we've been doing early testing of a new feature called Test and Compare, otherwise known as A/B thumbnail testing, with a few hundred creators over the past few months. So how does the feature work? The Thumbnail Test and Compare tool will help you compare the performance of up to 3 thumbnails and select a winning thumbnail. We're planning to roll out a beta version to a few thousand creators in the coming months. The team is working to make the tool available more broadly starting next year, but we wanted to share that testing is officially underway because we know this is a top requested feature and it will help you make more data-driven decisions about your thumbnail strategy. We know you've been anxiously waiting for this capability, so thank you to our community for your patience and feedback along the way.
So it's interesting because now YouTube rolls this out after they've implemented this autoplay, which when you scroll over a video, starts the video. And even MrBeast, who for years put in a lot of attention and focus on his thumbnails, spending thousands of dollars per thumbnail, has even noted how important it is now, that hook, that initial 5 seconds of the video, even more, way more important than the thumbnail. So YouTube is rolling this out now after they've done all this. So, I mean, it's still going to be important just looking at when you first pop into YouTube. Yes, maybe there is this autoplay, but I'm still looking at the thumbnails and still making my decisions. You know, the thumbnail is what's going to grab your attention. So I think this is great news for creators to have that A/B test, and you're going to be able to compare the best thumbnails for your video. And you're going to have up to 3 options. And let's pop over to MrBeast's channel here for a second. One thing I noticed just by looking at MrBeast's thumbnails is he has a lot less text than he used to. So he has a lot more emphasis on the image itself. Like, look here. You know, this was one that I remember looking at, and it totally, I actually didn't want to watch it because it was too frightening for me. I was like, what the heck is that? I don't want to watch that. But you know what? Just the same way that people don't want to watch it, I'm sure most people do want to watch it when they see a thumbnail that is provocative like this. So it is interesting to see what MrBeast is doing and what others are doing. And obviously, being able to test different thumbnails is only going to improve your strategy, seeing what works. And it's just going to cut on the time that it takes you to create a thumbnail, especially if you know exactly what's working and what's getting more people to watch your video for longer. Once Test and Compare rolls out for everybody, I'll do another video, but I just want you to know that it's coming down the pipe. Are you excited about this feature? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want a tutorial on how to create a thumbnail, click here. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.